Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out the REMAX reinforced protective glass for iPhone 15 Pro. And I've got to say, this is one seriously impressive screen protector. If you're looking to keep that beautiful display safe from daily wear and tear, you absolutely need to stick around. So let's talk about what makes this glass special. First off, it's reinforced with advanced technology that makes it incredibly tough. We're talking about real drop protection here. The anti-shock design means those accidental tumbles from your pocket or desk won't result in a shattered screen. I've tested dozens of screen protectors, and the durability on this one is genuinely impressive. The clarity is outstanding. One of my biggest complaints with cheap protectors is that they dull your display, but this Remax glass maintains the vibrant colors and sharp details of your iPhone 15 Pro screen. It's like having no protector on there at all, except you know you're completely protected. Installation is surprisingly straightforward. The package includes an alignment frame, cleaning supplies, and clear instructions. Even if you've never applied a screen protector before, you'll get this on perfectly on your first try. No bubbles, no mess, just a flawless fit around the camera cutout and dynamic island. Hardness-wise, this glass rates incredibly high on the Mohs hardness scale. It resists scratches from keys, coins, and everyday objects that naturally end up in your pockets. I've tested this extensively, and it shows zero signs of wear after weeks of use. The oleophobic coating is another standout feature. This means fingerprints and smudges don't stick around. Your screen stays cleaner longer, and when you do get prints on there, they wipe away effortlessly. It's such a small detail that makes a huge difference in daily use. Pricing is reasonable too. You're getting premium protection without spending a fortune. Honestly, for the quality you're getting here, this is fantastic value. If you own an iPhone 15 Pro and you care about keeping that screen in pristine condition, the REMAX reinforced protective glass is absolutely worth your investment. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more honest tech reviews. What screen protector are you using? Let me know in the comments below.
I did it all, I played pretend, I moved the mountains to be your friend. I wanna know if it mattered. I would have gone to war for you, I would have bent the earth in two just to get to our ever after. Something about this has changed, I wanna feel you close again. Don't let go, no, I pretend to be your friend. I wanna know if it mattered. I would have gone to war for you. I would have bent the earth in two just to